Okie dokie. We're doing the coiled cone fountain. Red apple fireworks. It's almost the 4th of July. It's just a little fountain guy. Caution, emit shower sparks. Use only under close adult supervision. For outdoor use only, place on level surface. Do not hold in hand. Light fuse and get away. Alright. This guy is small. Came in a 6-pack in the cobra box. Cobra box looks pretty sick. Can't wait to light them all off, but I got 6 of these guys, so might as well light one off, right? Alright. Bon, no. Vámonos. Ven. Bon, ven. Bon. Come on.